They're strong.
Studio 40 Live.
They're strong.
They're strong.
You're strong.
Yeah,
a strong graphic.
Yeah, they're good. How are you?
Good.
She's like, what are you crazy guys doing? And why didn't you bring me any desserts?
We got some cookies for you. We'll save some cookies for you. We got music,
I
cookies.
need to drink whatever you guys
Now we got to talk money.
That's right.
That's right.
Deanna, welcome into the show. Senior VP of Chief Business Officer. So that's a lot to do, it seems like. And you are here talking a little bit. Let's talk about the bank. First of all, Valley Strong.
Yes.
History. Give us a little lesson on who you guys are.
I'd be happy to. Valley Strong has been around for about 87 years. Started on the school district side, serving teachers and education, and fast forward to where we are today. We've expanded from Kern County all the way up north now.
Wow.
To Vacaville, Fairfield, San Joaquin County.
Okay.
So really happy to be in this area serving the community.
Love that.
How are you becoming known in Northern California?
You know, we're actually known for our involvement in getting involved in the communities, where that's serving nonprofits, getting our name out there to really let people know that we're here for the community.
Okay.
You know, credit unions are really about serving the underserved, so we really pride ourselves on that. You know, as a nonprofit organization, we run a profitable organization, but we just have a different vibe when it comes to serving community.
I love that.
Yeah.
Let's talk a little bit about how people become a member, whether it's businesses or individuals. What's the pipeline look like? What do they need? What do you need from them?
You know what? We just basically live, work, or worship in the communities and counties that we're serving and where we have our locations. We also have the ability to have members join through our Financial Fitness Association, which focuses on financial literacy, which every market that we serve can utilize that. So it's really easy. Come on into one of our branch locations. You can look us up online on our website at www.valleystrong.com, and there's more information out there to see how easy it is to become a member.
Love that.
Cool. All right, let's say I want to get a house, I want to get a car, maybe I need some extra money for the gambling. I don't know. How do I get a loan? What types of loans do you guys do?
Say cookies. Don't say
cookies.
gambling in front of the banker.
Right.
Oh,
they're like, no, we're not giving you
man.
the money for that. But types of loans.
We can do all types of loans. From the consumer side, we do mortgage lending, auto lending. If somebody needs a personal loan, for an educator, if they need access to a computer, or teachers need help with their classroom. And then, of course, on the business side, we do commercial lending, real estate lending. We help small businesses in our small loan program up to $100,000 for businesses that are just getting launched off the ground, you know, less than 2 years in business. Sometimes they don't have access to capital. So we're here to really help the community get those entrepreneurs off the ground as well.
I mean, all those products and services sound like it speaks to what you said earlier around, you're just a little bit different. Like
We're a little bit different.
But I'd love to push on that a little bit. What is it that people say when they're coming in over and over and they're banking with you now for years and years? What is it? What is some of their feedback to you about why this is in fact different?
You know, I think it's a feel when they come inside some of our locations, or if they're talking to one of our contact center officers, our people really serve with a lot of heart. We get tons and tons of stories that come in from our members that really speak to the individual team members and how they've gone above and beyond. You would be surprised at the stories that all of our members will reach out and give shout outs to our team members.
That's great.
We have an all-team meeting that highlights those team members, so we reinforce that behavior over and over again. So I would say we really serve our community with a big heart.
How many team members do you have now?
Close to 600. Yeah.
Out there.
Yeah, so we're getting up there.
That is strong.
Yes, we are strong, Valley Strong.
At the beginning, you mentioned like different locations, some different counties. How many locations do you have now? Where are you at?
We are 31 branch locations in the Solano County, San Joaquin County, and Tulare, Hanford, Visalia, kind of center of California, and then all the way down to Kern County.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Is there anything better than going into, let's just call it a financial institution?
Right.
And them calling you out by your first name when you walk up?
Nothing better.
Hey, Gary, how are you? Come on in. Let me talk.
Well,
I'm sure that happened.
Oh,
I get the vibe that this is what's happening at Valley Strong.
Yeah.
First name basis.
First name basis,
Yeah,
absolutely.
It's only bad when you owe people money and they're like, hey, Gary,
Get over here, and you
then
run.
it's bad. Then you're like, wait, I'm not Gary. I'm not Gary.
I'm Mark. I don't know what you're talking
What are you
about.
talking about?
Hey, we help Gary's too.
You help Gary.
We do.
You'll help
we help
everybody.
Gary's too. We help everybody.
I love it.
Just not with gambling loans.
No,
Yeah,
that's
maybe
not
on
even
the
a
gambling
thing.
side.
It isn't. It is. I was just trying to make that up.
Car,
I love it.
house,
Yeah.
business. She's got you covered.
got you covered.
Gambling
Got you
loan? No can do.
Does not have that. I love how it's
Might
strong.
have to do some budget help.
There
right?
we are.
There we go.
That's
How to
financial
curb
literacy.
Gambling. That's financial literacy.
They're strong, Scott. They're strong.
Valley Strong. 31 branch locations throughout Solano, San Joaquin, Kings County, Tulare, Kern. My wife's from Visalia, so how about that?
Very
right
good.
there,
I love
right there in that
Visalia.
backyard. Valleystrong.com for a little more info on
I
the
know
web.
where Visalia is, but I can't spell it. I know where it is.